Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to make your own leather cleaner. As you guys can see, this is the sprayer that I use. It's just a recycled sprayer from a window film application. So to make this leather cleaner, it's really simple. You need woolite, and this stuff is like $5 at really any store. I did around like a 6-to-1 ratio, so it's a pretty strong enough ratio. If you're really looking to kind of really get at it, 5-to-1 is perfect too. But yeah, for the most part, this is honestly plenty for me. So 6-to-1, it's a perfectly safe and really neutral ratio to go with. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our cleaner, again, ignore this. We're gonna take our cleaner and we have obviously our brush. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna spray just a little bit, you know, and we're not gonna go crazy. You actually don't need much to get a really good clean. You can obviously do a couple spurts. If it's really bad, you can even just spray a little bit right onto the brush itself. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just agitate right into the seat. We'll try to get a really good before and after. Hopefully the light will help do so. All right, now what we'll do is we'll take, this is our wet wipe. Again, it's a microfiber cloth, just wet, and it's actually very wet, it's soaking. But the point here is just to get rid of any soap slash any residual, any dirt left over. Again, we don't see much of a pickup until we actually dry the seat, and you'll kind of see more of the significance of the clean versus dirty. Alright, so now we have our dry towel, and we'll just go over. We'll kind of just go a little easy, not to affect that tape at all. Already, you can kind of tell that the seat is looking really good. It sticks out the most. You can maybe see on camera the fact that this is not necessarily as dark or as greasy looking as this. Obviously we have a little bit of overspray, but what we'll do now is remove the tape, and hopefully that provides us with a decent before and after. All right, so as you can kind of see, we definitely have a little bit of kind of just grease. Ignore the overspray if you can. But a decent before and after difference. As you guys can see, this is definitely looking really, really good. We don't have much grease at all, and keep in mind this beam is going to show anything. As you guys can see, it's bright. But yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. Alright, so to give you guys a decent before and after idea, I know the last one wasn't as great because of just kind of the area and the lighting sort of. This gets a lot of contact. This definitely supposedly should be really dirty. So what we're going to do is we're just going to lightly mist a little bit our solution right on the armrest, and then we'll just brush away. We'll try to get really in there. I'm gonna go for like, I want to make this thing look new. That's my idea. Hopefully this is another good look. Again, clean, dirty. Maybe I'll pull it closer to the light. So yeah, these are kind of the results you get with a do-it-yourself cleaning product. It's really simple to make. It's actually really simple, and it's extremely cheap. And you can probably get, I would say, if you do a 6-to-1 ratio, you could probably get maybe 4 to 5 uses out of it, which is really, like, that's phenomenal. So again, super good product. I highly recommend it. Point the light sort of at the steering wheel so you guys can see kind of the state it's in. The rest of the car is just filthy too. I mean, I have to do something about it. Fortunately, you know, it's Corona time, as everyone says. So I guess unfortunately in that situation, but yeah. So we'll do a full clean on this thing, a full spring clean. And again, you guys can see like the steering wheels. It's pretty greasy. It's certainly seen better days. Alright, and just like that, the seat is looking much better. This stuff is really good. I highly recommend it. It's super safe for your seats. Keep in mind, guys, I didn't do this part, and I definitely need to do this part. I can definitely see it's pretty greasy. But I guess you can get a fair comparison where this one gets definitely a lot of contact just because I'm sitting on it. But as you guys can see, none of that kind of greasy stuff. It feels super supple, like leather should feel. And yeah, I think this is a really great way. If you guys don't have a steam cleaner, or if you don't really have if you don't feel like spending the money on like a, you know, $15-16 leather cleaner, then this is definitely a way to go. It's so that pretty much sums it up. So hopefully that helps a lot of you guys out. I know this is the time to kind of just start cleaning your car or just do stuff at home. My heart goes out to everyone who's really affected by this crisis that's going on. It's not good for anyone. So, and if you guys really want to chat, feel free to DM me, and I'd love to talk to you guys. And I'm always here to support any of you guys who watch my videos, or really anyone. So again, hopefully we get through this tough time. Hopefully it ends quickly. And yeah, so with that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.